I'm now happy to welcome Mr. Mauro Grossi, our Group CFO. Mauro, as we just learned, our hangars are booked in all locations. Do we still have enough skilled workers for all of these activities?
As already explained by our Group CEO and our Group COO, our business is prospering, growing, and further expansion is planned. Therefore, this is quite a challenging situation for our HR to provide the operation with the right number of staff and mainly to provide the right quality to the operations. Luckily, we have a very loyal staff. The majority of our people is here with us since years. This means that we have a very experienced staff and which can provide the necessary quality for the market. And in the other hand, with this staff, we can learn, teach, develop new employees and new talents quite fast. And this is one of the major key success we have in AMAC.
As we all hope, the pandemic has finally ended. Or do you still have measures in operations for our various locations?
We are all happy that this finished, and by end of February we terminated all safety measure or prevention measure in connection with COVID. So let's hope it continues also for the next 50 years.
And finally, what is the next milestone you see from a finance and HR point of view from your perspective as our Group CFO?
I would say in the short, medium term, we have three major milestones. One is the continuation of this strict cost control and efficiency control to grant profitability and also to be competitive in the market. Secondly is, as I said before, one major task will be to grant the quality of the workforce for the future. For that reason, our HR will develop new training, development programs mainly for new talents, existing employees, to grant our quality also for the future. And third one is to secure the funding for our next step of expansion.
Thank you very much, Mr. Grossi.
Thank you.
We thank you for watching. We look forward to meeting you again in person soon or at eBase. But until then, stay safe, everyone.